Two things I'm going to need you to do, and as soon as we're done with the tutorial, you can go ahead and do this. I'm going to need you to change your Google profile as well as your Schoology profile. I do have reasons for this, which I'll tell you in just a minute. So you're going to want to find your camera if you don't already have a photo of yourself. So down here, I'm going to type in camera. My camera is going to show up. And I'm going to take a photo of myself. And then I'm going to type in Google. Over here, my profile picture is what I'm going to change. So make sure it's you that is logged in and not a family member. And you're going to press the plus sign. And you're going to select a photo from your computer. So I'm going to go and click on that photo. I'm going to open it. I'm going to reposition, and I'm going to click on Set as Profile Photo. Now, before you complain that you'd rather have a cartoon or something else, just remember this is a great way for me to get to know you, your face with your name, and I promise later in the year I'll let you know when you can change it to something else. But just do me this favor for at least the first month. All right, I'm going to click on my Schoology tab, and here are my courses. I'm going to go over to my name, and I'm going to click on Profile. And you can see right now I have an image that they set for me. I'm going to go in and edit picture, and I'm going to attach my file. Choose my picture again, and when I close out, I can now see my face.